Hey, what is up everybody? This is Singh from reviewsoftware.com. Welcome to my Thriive review. And you can see now I'm inside the software, everything I got over here. So in this video, I'll give you a full demo and a full run through exactly how that works, what is the price, and how to use Thriive to get you ton of traffic to your affiliate marketing or any site you want to drive traffic to. Okay, so before I go to the folder about the software, I also put ton of custom bonuses that I want to get you. So hold the bonus that will help you to see and grow your business faster. Okay, so what you need to do now, click to very first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page. Look like this. Then you can click to any red button here, it will take you to the sale page of the Thriive. Right, like here, you click to any button here and you are good to go. Okay, right, so before we go to the folder about the software, if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. So right now, let's get started. Alright, so what is the Thriive? Right? Thriive is the zero in a small underserved super target niche markets and avoid the competition while still enable user to generate real evergreen and personal result from them on Microsoft Business without bearing, and we call them Tiny Evergreen Super Business because Thriive is self-contained and instant a few short-term bursts here and there. A formula build user stable music make Microsoft Business. This is the Thriive describe about that. Okay, so I'm not gonna go detail about this, what is this, but right now let Mark describe for you and exactly what is that. Okay, so let Mark describe for you.
Thriive is a product, a software which we'll be releasing on Tuesday, November the 17th at 11 a.m. Now, the great thing about this software is it's built around a system which I used when I began my online journey. It allows pretty much anybody to capitalize on hidden audiences. Now, the software, what it does, it allows you to find those audiences, trending audiences, hidden audiences, the kind of audience that lots and lots of people just don't know exist. And that means that those audiences have very little competition. So they're easy to rank for, easy to make money from. You'd be surprised how big and how underserved some of these audiences actually are. So the software Thriive, it allows you to find those audiences very, very quickly. I wish I had this tool when I began online. It allows you to find those audiences and it allows you to build micro businesses around key phrases, micro audiences, and it allows you to plug in multiple income streams. So you can find the audience with the software. You can create the microsite. So these are just little sites that zero in specifically on that audience. It creates the content to attract that audience, and you can plug in multiple income streams. We even do all of the hosting for the user. So everything's included in the software. It's a very, very simple system. Thriive streamlines basically the microsystem, and I'm pretty sure it's something that anybody's going to be able to do. Now, many of these audiences, they're evergreen, so unlike the IM industry where it's all about make money online, drive traffic, list building, that kind of thing, these kind of audiences, the audiences you'll be able to find with Thriive are usually always evergreen. What that means is once you build out a hub or a microsite, then that microsite can make you money for years, as it has done for me in the past. They can do all of this with Thriive. Thriive goes live on Tuesday, November the 17th at 11 a.m. Like always, we have thousands to give away in cash prizes. I think, if I remember rightly, it's around $7,000. It's going to be an easy sell because it's a genuine product, it's a simple product, and it's something that anybody can do.
Right, so that's exactly what is the Thriive. So I also put ton of custom bonuses that will help you grow your business faster. So before we go to the further about the software, and I would like to show you the bonus. Okay, so if you still not click to very first link in the description of this video, you can click to the first link right now. It will take you to the bonus page. Look like this. Then you go down here, you will see down here, this is special bonus. Okay, special bonus that I would like to get you. If you purchase the product plus my bonus, that's how you grow your business faster. Okay, alright, and let's see the bonus number 1 here. This is video marketing profit case. So this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to use video marketing to build your online business. Okay, look, right now every business need video marketing. Okay, you see every website right now that have video on there. So video marketing is the future of marketing and very, very high convert. Okay, so in this bonus, I'm gonna include in this software. If you post the product, you have all my bonus right here. Okay, so the bonus number 2 here, this in a new way, right? Number 1, less than 24 hours. Okay, this bonus I'm gonna show you how to rank your keyword on the Google and on YouTube in less than 24 hours. Number 1 on that. Okay, and then bonus number 3 here, this is a case study. Okay, this is a case study that I will show you how to make $10,800 in the ClickFunnels. So affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels is the best platform. You know, a lot of people make money from that, and you see this is make money every day. Okay, this is very, very cool bonus that I want to get you. So bonus number 4 here, this is a plugin called W YouTube List. So this I'm gonna show you how to use this plugin to engage with your YouTube video and increase your Gmail list. Okay, and bonus number 5, this is SEO keywords mastery. In this bonus, I'm gonna show you how to find the honest and more profitable keyword the right way. Okay, so hold on. And bonus here will include with the product. If you choose this product, you have include all my high quality bonus here. Okay, so to click hold the bonus here, what you need to do, click to very first link in the description of this video, then click to any button here, you post the product. Then after you post the product, you go to the WordPress, then you go down here your history product. You already post, then you see little button here called Asset Affiliate Bonus. You click on here, you accept to hold my high quality bonus that I promised to you in this video. Okay, alright, so that is the my bonus. So right now let's go ahead and see how to use the Thriive. Okay, how to use Thriive is really important. Okay, so right now let me introduce for you. Okay,
we call Thriive a microsystem software because essentially that's what it does. It enables you to locate hidden and trending audiences, the kind of audiences that pretty much nobody else knows about. They have very little competition. The software allows you to discover those audiences and then create a micro super business around that audience. Now, some of these audiences last forever, some of them don't. But the beauty of this system is that you can do it in record time. Like I said, many of these audiences are completely underserved. Very few people know about them, so the competition is very, very low, which means you can rank, you can acquire organic traffic, and of course with Thriive, you can use the syndication. So let me take you through the steps quickly. First of all, it's about dropping in a keyword. So you drop in a keyword, you can find the hidden audiences. Best way of doing that is to look for what's trending right now based on the idea that you had originally. So you can see here that these audiences are trending up. You pick one of the audiences and then you create a mini site around that audience. So you find the audience, you create a microsite, Thriive hosts it for you, and then with Thriive, you generate the content. Now the content is used to attract and target your audience. And then once you have that content and once you have that audience clicking through to your hub, then you can convert those visitors into profit. So just to recap, Thriive will allow you to find hidden audiences. Some of these are evergreen and they can generate results for months, even years. There's little to no competition in some of these sectors. Once you find the audience that you want to use, simply create your microsystem hub, which targets the audience, then monetize, and then send the traffic with syndication. And syndication is just a start. As you can imagine, because of the low competition in most of these sectors, then your hubs will start to rank very, very quickly without.
Right, Sky, I hope you see something powerful on the software. And yeah, if you post the product right now, you also ask it to hold my high quality bonus right here. That's I promise to you. Okay, so right now let's talk about the price. What is the price? Really important, right? So front end price only $17, and that's everything I show you and Mark show you in this video. You get that's only $17. Okay. And you see here, this is one tri-site creation, natural education, and keyword niche fighting two, and a lot of more right here. And this everything you're gonna have in the $17. Okay. And they have few upsell to you. Okay. Upsell number one here. This is the pro version, so the price is $67. Here everything you're gonna get. And then upsell number two, this is the golden plans. This is $47. This everything you're gonna get. Upsell number three, this is try instant traffic, $97. Upsell number four, this is agency limited license, that's you're gonna get, and your price is $67. And try upsell number five, this is try 1K with V3, so this is the price is $127. This is for everything. Okay, so for $16, I think this is a good price. You can go here. You have all everything. That's how you drive a lot of traffic to your affiliate marketing or any site you want. Okay, I think that's really good for the $17, especially if you're a beginner. Okay, right. So that's all everything about Thriive. And if you post a product right now, you also include all my high quality bonus that I promised you in this video as well. And yeah, that's everything about that. And if you have any question about the Thriive, leave your comment below. I'd love to answer your question. And if you're first time to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notification. So right now, I will see you in another video. Bye.